move towards improving healthcare accessibility and awareness, President Draupadi Murmu yesterday virtually launched the Ayushman Bhava campaign. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan and Health Minister Ampreen Lingdor attended the virtual inauguration of the Ayushman Bhava campaign. For the state launch, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma launched the Ayushman Bhava campaign at the State Convention Centre. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said that during the 2-week campaign, different activities will take place at different levels in the district level and other centres, which will end on Gandhi Jayanti. The campaign aims to ensure the optimal delivery of health schemes to every intended beneficiary, even those in remote areas.
It has always been our objective and our endeavor to ensure that important sectors, because no matter what roads we have, no matter what buildings and large offices or infrastructures we have, if we are not able to provide the basic health facilities at the grassroots level, then we are not being able to achieve a complete development and